On the second day of Navaratri, people worship goddess Brahmacharini. When devotees offer prayer to her, she helps that person to overcome difficult times of his or her life. The color of the day is yellow, which signifies hope and happiness. You can offer Singare Atte ka halwa or Kache Kele ki barfi as the bhog to goddess. Now, Ankit U. Dave talk about the significance of this day.
Goddess Brahmacharini. The second day of Navaratri Bhog is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. She is depicted as one of the monastic goddess in Hindu scriptures, two-armed, clad in white, and holding a Rudraksha mala and a sacred kamandal. Her stance is of utmost pity and devotion. Her meditative form is often related to the severe penance undertaken by Sati and Parvati in their respective births to attain Lord Shiva as their beloved consort. She is also known as Tapasyacharini. It is believed that when Parvati was engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva, she was reduced to a mere skeleton. Her austere penance gained her the name of Brahmacharini by all the devatas and gods who were awestruck by her reverence. Worshipping this form of Shakti is known to invoke the spirit of penance, renunciation, virtue and nobility. Goddess Brahmacharini is a lover of simple food and offerings. Devotees serve a bhog of sugar and fruits to Goddess Brahmacharini. Thank you.
Now, we have Tanishq of class 2 to recite the sloka. When we dance for glory of God, we feel alive and powerful. Today, we have S. Lakshmi Manasa of class 10D to turn up with a spiritual performance. The joy and contentment derived from listening and singing bhajan are unparalleled. We have A. Preet Chordia of class 6A to sing a bhajan as we come to an end.
जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव। भाव भगत से को इष्ट नागत लागे, संतति संपत्ति सभी भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निश दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव। जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव।
This has brought us to the end of the day. I hope you've enjoyed all the events as much as we did, and wishing you all a very happy Navaratri.